My office will continue to undertake monitoring and reporting on the implementation of government programs and projects at the county government level. Due to inadequate funding, my office has not been able to monitor the implementation of projects at the national government level. From the foregoing, the budgetary provisions, and here I refer to the control of budget limits in the 2025 budget policy statement, will be vital in ensuring effective implementation and reporting on the implementation of government policies. It should be noted that in subsequent years, additional budgetary allocation to the office will be important in ensuring that the office plays a more expanded role in the realization of government policies and agenda.